Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and not miss out on anything you need to scale your cleaning business to 6 figures and beyond. Pow! So I'm going to talk about what you need to do right now if you're interested in winning government cleaning contracts and you don't want to do any bidding. I've talked a little bit before about what you need to do for no bidding. If you're interested, stay tuned. This video, I'm going to cover it. You ready? And let's go. The first thing is there's the micro purchase. Micro purchases are really nice, neat. You absolutely have to be registered with sam.gov when it comes to making sure that you click on that you are going to accept government credit cards, P cards. The micro purchases are $10,000 and under. You get paid the exact same day. That's the thing I liked about it. And I ended up getting 3 micro purchases in one day, cleaning various embassies in Washington, D.C. when I first got started. This helped me go on to be able to have money for other contracts that may have been larger where I had to wait like maybe 30 days to get paid. So it's a really good way to get started and kind of help you finance some larger contracts. And number 2, SAP. Those are simplified acquisition procedures. And I love SAPs because this comes down to having that relationship with that government officer where they're able to select your company. And this is between $3,000 and $250,000. No bidding. You're a small business. Automatically, you are considered a small business if your revenues are under $19,500,000 for our NICS code, which is 651720. Love, love, love being in that category. Won many contracts when it came to the $3,000 to $250,000, having that relationship, doing my introduction letter, and making sure that I was registered in SAMS the correct way. Number 3, sources sought. Sources sought is a really great way to win no bid contracts because you don't have to do any bidding. They're looking for information. They're putting it out there. A lot of times, no one takes the time to respond. If you respond to a sources sought notification, then this contracting officer has all your information. You're going to send a simple letter, what they're asking for. They'll lay out everything they're interested in. You put the information. It's not a bid solicitation yet. They're filling it out to see if there's going to be an interest. A lot of times, if no one responds, you automatically become the actual person they give that award that to, the solicitation. So I love those 3. Those are 3 ways you can do without any bidding for government cleaning contracts. And if you'd like to know more, guess what you can do? I'm doing my free workshop masterclass today where I go into so much more detail on government bids, how to get started, SAMS, the new way to get registered in SAMS, how to do sources sought, no bids, how to find bid opportunities, so on, marketing to government buyers, all of that. So if you'd like to know more, then guess what you can do? Click to register for my free workshop masterclass. As a matter of fact, it will be today at noon Eastern time. I'd love to see you there. Space is limited. So until next video, be safe and take care. Bye-bye.